Put some candy in your thing. Trick or treat. Oh, thank you.
Go ahead and put those in.
Say thank you. Trick or treat.
Thanks.
Thank you. Come on, Tinka Booga. Come on. Let's go this way. Come on. Trick or treat. Smell my feet. Give me something good to eat. Bless you. Okay. Let's go down the street. Okay, Cardi, they have already given us candy. Okay, let's go to the next house. Okay. Sorry, it's just us. Come on. Let's go to another house. You want